If your AutoCAD drawings look sharp on your screen but turn into a blurry pixelated mess while you plot them to a PDF, you look completely unprofessional to your clients or professor. And no, it's not your computer's fault. It's usually down to two hidden settings you probably don't even know exist. Let's fix it in less than 5 minutes. To start the printing process, you need to type plot, enter. In here, the first reason that most of your plots are not with high resolution is related to this printer plotter selection. Most of you as a basic user try to use Microsoft Print to PDF, but actually it is especially for text documents. But in AutoCAD, we work with vector-based designs. So here, it means that by zooming into our plot, if I select the Microsoft Print to PDF, I will have low pixelated with less accuracy and less resolution. So how can I solve it? Easily, I can change it to this manner. AutoCAD PDF high quality print. In here, if I select this, I can check that in PDF option. The vector quality be at least 2400 dpi and the raster image quality 600 is good. I say, yeah, it's good now. But let's see what will happen if I select this Microsoft Print to PDF. I select my paper size. I say A4 is okay. I say window. In a window, I come and select the size that I want to print. Now I say that put it in center and plot it. When I zoom in, as you see, I cannot zoom more than this, and my plotting is not in a way of representing for a client or professor, because if I represent to them, it actually shows the less value of my work. How can I solve it? The first step was selecting the better printing, which was AutoCAD PDF with high quality prints. But the other thing is selecting the plot object line weights. But before that, I need to check that in layer properties I have assigned line weights to each of my layers. For doing that and saving time, I did this here, and as you see, my layers have line weights. For changing the line weights, you can click on this part and assign the line weight that you want. I did on this part, and I do this plotting here. So the second reason, as I told you, is related to plot object line weights. You will see that how accurate and how high resolution will be our plotting. In here, I select AutoCAD PDF. The ISO A4 is okay. I select the window part. I say, for example, I want from here to here, and with centering of this, if you want your drawing to be in colorful form, you can say none. But if you want to have it in black and white, I say monochrome is okay for me. I say this one, and I check that this is active. Now, if I preview this by zooming in, at first, as many parts as you zoom in, you see that you don't change your accuracy because it's now vector-based. And the other thing is that if you see this part here, you will see that how accurate your drawing is now and also clear for your client and your professor.